Alright guys, we are here today at Fremont. Off-road wheels, yeah.
How do you know what it is?
Because it said right there, off-road skate wheels from Jake Fester.
Jake from State Farm.
Hello Braille skate team, my name is Jake Fester. I'm 19 years old and from Reamstown, Pennsylvania. In this box is a set of wheels from a mountain off-road skateboard that should be able to be used on a normal skateboard. These are kind of old, beat up, and the bearings might be a little shot, but with a riser pad or two, they should be able to be skated. Oh no, what in the world? Please give my Instagram, JakeFester55, a shout out. Shout out JakeFester55. And my YouTube channel, Jake Fester. It has 2 videos of my GTI currently uploaded.
These things have seen some use, man.
Yeah, they look like they came out of The Walking Dead. The Mars Rover off-road wheels. Softer? Harder?
Wow.
Oh no, we're gonna use that board. It's just the one I used to skate in the rain, like 7 years ago. Wow. It's a revenge board, if I'm not mistaken. That's how old it is. Jeez. Revenge.
It's like paper mache, dude.
I am like so hot and tired. I was literally going like this. And wondering, why is it not tightening? Stop! Fetty is like so unimpressed, I can't even get him to crack a smile. He hasn't smiled in a month.
I think we should do the intro for all of these videos here and then go back to the Braille house and finish them.
The sun makes me ag. We were kind of outside, we almost made it.
Exactly.
Ow!
He's got his smile back!
Oh dude, you could use
Carlos, what are you doing?
This actually feels really nice, guys.
Honestly, bro.
It really does.
Like rollers, dude. Honestly, bro, this is like rollers. Oh no. It barely goes in there.
Oh, it's not gonna work, Aaron.
No, that's gonna work.
I have an idea.
What?
What is your idea?
Nail file grip tape.
Aaron, how you feeling, man?
Delusional.
I
don't know where I am.
Ow!
Who put it on max?
Where's weekend mode?
Troy, push that wheel while Rowan, Daniel.
That is not Rowan. Do not mistake Daniel for the breaker of chains.
Kinda got it.
All right, you got it.
What the heck is that thing?
Well, hey, guess what? Now we're gonna off-road. Fetty, I'll leave the 3 in front of Fremont.
If you're wondering, folks, that's what you do when you land really big impact. Wax your wheelbase.
Betty, you just cracked a smile. You like it.
No, I'm squinting from the sun. The trucks are already like off this thing.
All right, Fetty, how you feeling?
I feel like I'm off the road.
Oh, first try.
It's actually really good. Car watch, car watch.
Yeah, there's only 1 bolt now.
I feel like you need to go back like that one video and do like the tree ride. Drop in off the tree, you remember that?
I don't know. The other board was funner.
Are you okay?
No, I hate the sun. I try one thing and I'm out of energy.
Lord! What? Wow, that was out of this world, off this road. God, it's hot. What happened?
Okay, you need to see how there's like rocks sticking up. I just kind of.
Did one go in your hand?
It didn't go in, but it pushed like really hard.
Little known fact, the wheels are for mountains and rocks, not Carlos.
What?
Carlos is not mountain.
Oh.
Oh, wait!
I thought you were telling me to wait.
I was telling them to wait.
I am so sorry about that.
They don't like skateboards though.
Oh. We love dogs, but they don't love us. Carlos, in 3, 2, 1. You got it, Carlos! If he doesn't land this right here. Lord! Called it.
Lord!
I literally just walked in front of a car, dude. Thank God I got peripheral vision.
This is an off-road board. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, I got you, Carlos. Hey, now you will land it. Oh! Here I am trying to protect the cars.
You saved his life.
Yeah,
You're
this
a
car.
good man.
I mean, somebody needs to protect the car. We're gonna make you tray flip it if you don't land it right here. Let me spread it around a little bit. Now you're golden. If only Lance was here, he would have landed it already.
Come on, Carlos, do it for Lance.
That may have been the hardest slam ever? Yeah, it's weird that there would be wheel bite. It's only like, good thing you landed there and not off the curb though.
Yeah. Carlos, get it together.
Yeah. First try!
Alright, let's sweep this back.
Okay, okay. For the community.
You want me to try kick with it?
Yeah. Right here, first try, kickflip, $20 from me. Cash? Actually, probably credit, right? Yeah. That's a little better. Okay, go ahead.
You got this, Carlos. You can do that. I know why he's not landing it.
Why?
Because we swept the rocks back.
It's like this is an off-road board and you're trying to kickflip it onto a road.
Now you're gonna land it.
Or slip out and die.
Oh, I like this one. Good placement.
Oh my god, it's not flipping.
He's
so
so
heavy.
I told you.
What do you think, Rowan?
Breaker of locks.
Technically, I broke the key.
This is the first time we've been outside in months. And my skin is on fire.
They keep me locked in the basement.
Yeah, when you said you were gonna do that, I was thinking, no, you're not. But, you know, I believe in you.
I'm gonna do one more, but I'm literally gonna give it everything I got. Every kick, every
Should I
triple
fill in these
quad
holes?
flip.
What? I was like,
Better than the kick.
beyond incredible.
I'm gonna stop it there. Okay. I wish I gave it everything I had. No.
All right, let's sweep this back.
We should do a kickflip off on flat. See if we can.
Let's go.
Possible.
I saw Fetty kickflip it over there.
He's strong though.
You got injured? I've never seen
Yeah.
you injured before.
I just don't complain when it happens.
he's like, I'm always
I'm
injured. What are
injured
you talking
all the
about?
time, actually. Like, I'm surprised there's not a blood clot right here, but it's gonna bruise up. I already feel it.
I'll give you one thing. That ollie rocked. From the city to the mountain. Here we go.
Oh, Aaron, the truck is fully sideways.
Daniel was like, the thing doesn't work. And I was like, no, Daniel, it's fine. Fine, Daniel. It's fine. It works totally fine, Daniel. It's okay. There goes that video. All right, so Rowan's gonna fix this for us. There you go, Rowan. And we're gonna give Fetty a special surprise.
Aaron,
fork.
Fetty, you were the biggest man I know for leaving your hands within a 5-foot radius of that.
Well, I had to make sure the box didn't move.
Hashtag teamwork.
What happens when an unstoppable force meets an immovable object?
Fetty wins.
Fetty was like, could you please get me some FP socks? Done and done, my friend.
Thank you.
These are FP socks. These are the best socks in the world.
Wow.
Look, feel that.
Did you feel that?
Nothing, nothing. Wow, this is a really good box. So I got another pair of these, which I will keep. And then these are Maximum Impact Protection FP Protectors Medium.
Holy cow.
Shin guard? Knee guard? Oh wow, these are like super sick.
Whoa.
Feel that? Gabe will definitely play
Volleyball
basketball
those.
with these.
Can't wait.
The King Foam. King Foam Elite insoles. This is what I do not skate without these. These are the best. They are the bomb. They are.com. King Foam Elite, and then the Game Changers. The Game Changers are what I roll.
Yeah,
the
Game
Game
Changers are
Changers.
sick.
They adapt to your foot. So literally, your foot has a certain shape, and then they heat up, and your foot adapts to the shape of them. Or actually, they adapt to the shape of your foot. Then we got some stickers. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for. Yes, pants.
Whoa.
See these pants I'm wearing? These are the pants that I'm wearing. These are my favorite pants.
Wow, there's a 32.
You got your own box, Carlos. You got your own
I'm
box.
just kidding.
Welcome to the future. Absorbs 90% of impact energy. La 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 la.
So they don't rip?
DGS outsole system, dynamic GAIT stabilization system, patent pending, built-in heel, cradle, and arch support, guides foot biomechanics during impact situations. Wow, these are incredible. Feel the bottom. Feel that?
Jeez. I don't even feel my thumb.
All right, well these are super, 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 super rad, and a huge thanks to FP for hooking it up with 2 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of pants, 4 pairs of insoles, knee pads, 2 pairs of socks, and this entire box. Thank you, FP. Thank you for sponsoring this video. Let's go off-road. We should kickflip off in the grass. What do you think, Fetty?
Then why did we come to the Fremont?
Out of all the things I didn't want to do today, this is on the top of the list. If I don't land this first try, I will actually punch myself in the face. I mean, we are in the dirt. I'm gonna count that. This is a lot easier than I thought. to be honest. Well, seems like I won that challenge.
Carlos made it look so hard.
He weighs less than the board. Oh no, there's a bee! I wasn't even kidding, there's a bee right there. Daniel, who comes from Australia, where
there's
there
no
are
bee.
spiders as big as your face, is scared of a bee.
He told me about a spider experience this big.
Last night I went home and there
There's
was a
bees
spider
this
and it was
big
this
over there?
big and I cried.
Oh, you have to have earmuffs if they're that big.
Earmuffs.
I fell.
What are you doing, Fetty? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Ow! My spine broke in 7 places. Carlos! More or less worked?
Yeah.
This wheel by In City.
Yeah.
As most off-road as there is in California is this perfectly cement skate park. Thank you, Fetty. Fetty's going for it, no slide.
Thank you.
Yeah!
Wait, Fetty, you think you can no slide this?
Who knows?
Honestly, I think he's got this first try.
Once I figure out the roll up, I got this. What the fork?
Oh my god, what just happened?
Whoa!
Since the wheels are rubber, they bounce.
Oh! Yes!
Ah, finally.
This sun is really getting to him today.
When you love monster trucks, but it's skate 30. When you want to skate Fremont, but you only have a monster truck.
When you want to skate Fremont, but it's literally 572 degrees outside.
Let him know, it's hotter where you are. Thanks a lot for watching. We love it when you guys send us these incredible things. You guys are the best. You guys should definitely come to our party April 7th and you can get all the new gear. You can meet Andy Schrock, you can meet Brian Ames. I hope you're enjoying all the videos. If you have something to send us or an idea, send it to skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. We really appreciate it. Thank each and every one of you. You guys are all incredible. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.